안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. By the way, when I was transferring my video files to the computer, some files got corrupted. So there will be some missing footages and I'll just be explaining the process. Okay, so I have white nail polish for my thumb, index, and middle nail. Sky blue for my ring nail and a bright yellow for my pinky nail. For my index nail, I used a rose design from a stamping plate and now I'm painting it in with a blue shade. And green for the leaf. Then after letting that to dry on my stamper, I applied a fast drying top coat onto my nail and I'm letting that to dry a bit. Then I stamped it onto my white base. Then as for my middle and thumbnail, my inspiration is this gorgeous blue rose wall on the music video. And I did a dry brush design with green polish on my thumb and middle nail. Then after that, I used this rose pattern design from a stamping plate and now I'm painting it in with blue shade. Then after filling the designs with a blue shade and letting it to dry, I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail. Then after letting it to dry a bit, I stamped the design. For my ring nail, I'm using a dotting tool and white nail polish to create clouds. And as for my pinky nail, I stamped a black and white plaid design. My inspiration for this one is Ayu's outfit on this part of the music video. And after all of that, I applied top coat. And that's how I did my Ayu Blueming inspired nail art. If you have a K-pop music video inspired nail art requests, just leave them on the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. 그게 오늘이야 여러분. 비디오 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!